Hello guys, this is Nicholas. Today Epic Games just announced the Unreal Engine 5. It's such a big deal that it's making headline on almost every single gaming forum. However, today I want to talk about why it is so important to non-gaming industry as well, such as architecture, aerospace, and automobile industry. For those who are not familiar with Unreal Engine, it is a gaming engine created by the company Epic Games. Epic Games showcased its first-person shooter games called Unreal in 1998, and that's why they call the software platform they use to create that game Unreal Engine, because it is written in computer language C++. It offers a high degree of portability, supporting a wide range of platforms. The last major update was in 2014, when Epic Games released the Unreal Engine 4 and made it a subscription model. Back then, it was $19 per month, and developers were given the full version of the Unreal Engine, including the C++ source code. In addition, every released product was charged a 5% royalty of gross revenue, and that mainly focused on the gaming industry and the filming industry. In the same year, Epic Games made the software free for use for schools and universities, and in March 2015, Epic Games dropped the $19 monthly subscription fee for all users. The company also modified its royalty program by only charging the 5% fee for those products that make more than $3,000 per quarter. This new business model created a storm in the gaming industry. That means for most people, you can use this powerful software for free. You only have to pay when you release a product that is profitable, which means if you don't release any product, you pay nothing. This new business approach not only helped Epic Games gain a large market share in the gaming industry, it also created a storm in the non-gaming industry such as architecture, aerospace, automobile. Because for these industries, they use Unreal Engine for renderings, animations, simulations, which are not gonna package into a product to release to the market. So Epic Games let them use it for free. As an architect myself, this is like hallelujah, this is like Jesus reborn. Because we were paying like more than $3,000 per license for other rendering software such as Lumion, which in my personal opinion is a couple years behind Unreal Engine in terms of technology. To give you a sense of the significance of it, let me start by telling you how a rendering is created in an architectural firm. There are three main elements for a rendering. One is geometry, second is materials, and third is lighting. And lighting is really the soul of a rendering. If you render a trash receptacle with good lighting, it becomes an art piece. However, lighting is the most time-consuming and challenging thing to make it right, because the computer and the software need to calculate the bouncing of the lighting particles in order to make the rendering realistic. Using a traditional rendering software, that can take hours. It's also an iterative process, meaning that you need to do it again and again until it looks right. And that's the main reason why architects have to charge up to $5,000 per one still rendering. With real-time rendering provided by gaming engines such as Unreal Engine and Unity, it's completely changed the game. Because in real-time rendering, the lighting information is embedded in the material as a light map. That means once the baking process for the light map is done, you can capture infinite number of renderings instead of waiting 5 hours for one. Imagine if you can teleport yourself from New York to Los Angeles in only 1 second, instead of taking a 5-hour flight. How will that change your life? That is exactly what's happening to the architectural industry now. For those who are familiar with gaming engines, you probably wanna argue, "Come on man, light baking takes hours too." That is a fair point. But with the release of the Unreal Engine 5, light baking process is gonna become a history. Unreal Engine 5 will include the dynamic lumen global illumination. As you can see from this scene over here, all the lightings are updated dynamically without light map, without baking. For someone who's been doing renderings for more than a decade, I really want to tell you what you see over here is a major jump in terms of visualization technologies. It's mind-blowing. It's like getting my second puberty. If an architectural company can develop in-house capability to create real-time renderings like this, they can sell their crappy projects in no time. There is a learning curve, but once you master it, it's like cocaine. There's no turning back. It opens up a whole new world for you. And because this software was written in C++, if you know how to write code, the possibility is really limitless. Just to give you an example, in our company, we created an app that can plug into a gaming engine to automate the design rather than doing it manually. That saves time, that saves money, that is value to the client, and that's how we survive in this economy. If you never used a gaming engine before, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's free anyway. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up button for me. YouTube's algorithm really likes the thumbs up button. And please subscribe to this channel because I have more exciting videos for you in the future. Again, thank you very much for watching and please stay safe.